Ever wondered how top stylists achieve those flawless hair transformations? Dive into the world of hair extensions and discover the latest trends that are revolutionizing the industry. Stay ahead and transform your career with these secrets, hosted by Rhonda Robinson, known as the Weave Genius, touring nationwide to 18 cities. Stylists have skyrocketed their careers by mastering extensions. Rhonda's training has empowered them to offer unparalleled services, attracting a loyal clientele and boosting their business success. Ready to elevate your skills? Master advanced techniques such as the braidless sew-in, pioneered by Rhonda herself. Plus, learn the Microlinks sew-in, tape extensions, K-tips, I-tips, flawless sew-in, lace front wig making, and hairpiece making for a competitive edge. Experience hands-on techniques in 7 different hair extension methods. See how these techniques can transform your hair extension skills. Rhonda's expertise will guide you through every step. Can't make it to a tour stop? No worries. Rhonda offers private one-on-one sessions in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. She also offers online training tailored to fit your schedule and specific needs, ensuring you get the most out of your training. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned stylist, personalized training can elevate your skills. Learn at your own pace and focus on areas that matter most to you with Rhonda's expert guidance. Visit the website to explore inspiring success stories from participants who transformed their careers by attending the Weave College by the Weave Genius. You're investing in your future. Ready to elevate your hairstyling skills? Reserve your spot today and join a community of passionate stylists. Together, let's unlock new opportunities and redefine what's possible in the world of hair.